woodworkers toil in dusty basements and dim garages, where mass-produced, flat-packed furniture threatens to crush the appreciation of fine craftsmanship. Someone, you, must step out of the shadows and light the way to a future safe from particle board domination. Announcing the call for entries for the second annual Nordy's Video Awards. Just record a video, 2 minutes or less, showing how you're passing on your skills and inspiration to the next generation of young woodworkers. Then submit it by February 22nd for a chance to win these fabulous prizes. Or these. Or these. Or maybe even the grand prize. So grab your cell phone or video camera, get out into the shop, and show the world how you're helping make sure the future of woodworking is bright.
Say cheese! Goodbye! Please go to the Rockler website for more details.